rendering of the example data instances. One concrete offering, simple scenario.
So this graph here you can actually create automatically from the N3 code that we've seen on the previous slide.
Exactly. We will use that this afternoon, that you can use experiment, look how the graph will render and the like. One thing I wanted to say. Oh yeah. You may wonder how much, whether, I mean, this looks already pretty complex and we are yet in the simple stages. You may wonder whether this markup, when embedded in web pages, slows down loading your pages if you have additional lines. Okay? I made quite some experiments yesterday, and basically, mostly, I computed it. An average description, a bit more than this simple scenario, really created with the annotator, which is a tool we'll learn to know later. So what every business should have, but a very comprehensive description, including eligible countries and the like, will create an additional data payload of about 6 kilobytes, but this compresses very well with zip or other standard algorithms because of the long names in there. So on average it will compress to 1.3, 1.4 kilobytes. You may know that HTTP supports compression on most servers by default. So the actual payload, additional payload of a very comprehensive good relations description for a business will just be 1.3 kilobytes. And this on a T1 line, fast internet connection, transmits in 6 milliseconds, and on a 384 kilobyte DSL line, so a slow DSL line, will take just 20 milliseconds. So really, even the comprehensive